Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. I recently posted my DIY lash extensions routine and kind of like review and tutorial, and that inspired me to look inward. I've saved so much money, almost like $200 a month, by not doing lash extensions and by getting a $20 lash kit from Amazon. So this inspired me to look into my beauty routines and see what else saves me money so I can share with y'all. As y'all know, inflation is a thing, everything is so expensive, and as women I feel like we spend so much money on like hair stuff and nails and tanning that, like, if you could do it yourself and save a little bit of money, I mean, why not? So today I'm going to share all those things because deep inside I'm a frugal queen. I know I spend a ton of money, but I hate spending money on beauty services. I don't know why. So today I'm going to be sharing all the things I do from Amazon that save me money. I'll have everything linked down below. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, and let's get into it. So I feel like I have to start with my spray tan routine because I look so tan right now. I'm so proud of my husband. My best friend introduced me to spray tan around this time last year, and I became obsessed. My self tanning never turned out the way I wanted it to. I don't know why, but spray tans are like $65 now, and that's so much money. So one day in October, I decided to purchase a whole DIY at-home spray tan setup. I got this solution from Norvell that was about $50, this spray tanning tent that was like about 60 bucks, and I got this spray tanning gun, which was definitely like the most expensive. That was like about $150. So in total I spent, say, like $250. So I spray tan about once a week, and you might be asking, Philo, how could you spray tan yourself? I don't, my husband does. And honestly, it was trial and error. At first it was like a little patchy. I made sure we tried when I had nothing going on, just in case it looked bad. It was a little splotchy. It took a little bit of getting used to like the actual process of him tanning me, but y'all, I swear, like by the third time he was a pro. It's so easy, truly anyone can do it, and it looks so good. He tanned me 2 days ago. Anyway, let's do the math. So I was paying $65 per spray tan. Like I said, I tan once a week, so that would be $260 a month, right? I've had it since October. I've saved $1,820. Isn't that crazy? I've saved so much money. Like, I'm shook. I've never done this math before. I'm a woman obsessed. I cannot believe I look this tan on camera right now. I feel like so proud of my husband. And of course, my lashes. I did an entire video, kind of like tutorial on how I do them. It has saved me so much money. I was spending $150 every single month since last April. Let's see how much that is. $1,500. That's how much money I've spent on lashes, and maybe more. So it has saved me so much money. I'm so glad I can do it myself now. Okay, let's talk about my hair, which it's nothing to brag about, but I used to be blonde. I used to absolutely despise getting my hair done. I love my hair, girl. Nothing to do with that. But I just like knew I was damaging it, you know? Then I, thank God, decided not to be blonde anymore. Brownish, golden, coppery color. I haven't been to a hair salon since September because I've been using these hair glosses or tinted hair masks. They last me so long. Not to brag, but my hair actually looks good, like my hair color. I feel like my hair is actually growing more healthy now, and all I have to do is spend 20 bucks probably every 3 months and I'm good to go. And I just leave it on my hair, follow the instructions, and it leaves this really pretty like undertone in my hair. But they have so many colors like copper or blonde. You can even do like different shades of auburn or black, brunette if you have brown and you want to change the undertone. Highly recommend looking into glosses and looking into like tints because it's so much more cost effective, and it's probably so much better for your hair. This was a COVID thing, peak quarantine. I got a wax machine for like 40 bucks on Amazon. It came with all the wax beads and the strips and everything that you would need in one machine. So I do my husband's back. I don't know if that's TMI. I love oversharing about him on my channel. And it says that the full back starts at $63 on European Wax Center. Let's say he does it probably like every other month. Let's do 4. $252. That's still like not even a quarter of the price of what we paid for the machine. And it's lasted us all this time. I really don't want my esthetician girlies to be upset with me because I'm sharing this, because I fully believe in going to get facials and having an actual professional do these kind of treatments. However, a few years ago I bought this for my mom. She recently got a facelift, so she can no longer use this, so now I have it and I use it. And when I tell you, this has changed my skin, it's incredible. This was less than $100 and it's similar machine to microdermabrasion. I do believe the professional grade ones are more effective and a little bit different, but this kind of helps you achieve the same results with the diamond tips, and basically it's like a suction. It sucks everything out of your pores, and y'all, I have the worst blackheads and clogged pores on my nose, and I've finally been able to help clear them. Almost always concentrate this on my nose. I don't really run it all over my face. I make sure to sanitize it after every use. It's crazy to see what the filter looks like every time. I've saved a few filters so I can show you guys this. I've been using this for months and I've noticed such a big difference. Microdermabrasion facials in the Houston area, which I want to say is not as expensive as like LA and New York, are upwards of like $150, and I try to do this probably every 2 weeks. I feel like out of all times for me not to have my fake nails, this might be the worst video, because if you watch my channel, you know I'm always wearing my fake nails, but I hate going to the nail salon. Not because of the sweet ladies that do nails, I just cannot relax for that long. It's just not in me, you know, like I start getting antsy. That's like the #1 reason why I do these beauty services. It's not even because it saves me money, it's because I hate it sitting in a lash refill for 2 hours out of my day. Anyway, the main reason why I wear so many fake nails is because I bite my nails. It's just like an anxiety girly thing, okay? I've been biting my nails like ever since I can remember. If my nails aren't done, if I don't have like a physical barrier, I will bite and chew on my nails, okay? That's all you need to know. So I've been wearing fake nails ever since I was like 13, and obviously acrylics are so expensive, and like I said, I hate sitting in the salon, so I resorted to just buying fake nails from like Walgreens and stuff. But y'all, Walgreens sells like the most basic fake nails for $9, right? You can get this pack on Amazon that has 900 nails for like 12. So, but I've also purchased all sorts of nail things from Amazon. Gel, which is what I use on my toes. That's how I do my pedicures. White gel on my toes. I have the gel light. I also have a whole dip powder kit that I use if my nails are looking decent enough. So the first thing I do is prep my nails. They're all prepped. I'm not gonna show you that because my nails, like I said, are gross. These are the nail extensions that I get, and I get them off Amazon. So I just start measuring all my nails to see which one will fit, and then if it doesn't completely fit, because I have pretty small nails, I just cut like a little bit of the corner. I like my nails pretty short, and then I go in with a filer. Okay, now that I filed down the sides, I like to buff out the extension surface. So I just do kind of like a thinnish layer to start off. Well, I just dip it, and then I just kind of like tap the excess, and then I do all other nails before brushing away the excess. So I do dip my nails about 3 or 4 times in the powder depending on the opacity. The activator, and this just kind of seals in the powder. I'm going to buff them out. I'm gonna wash my hands. The top coat, I'm gonna apply a thin layer, wait for a while, do my other hand, and then I'm gonna do the final layer. But this one is pretty shiny, which is good. Okay, here is the final look. Not my best manicure, but they don't look too bad. They will do. There's so many different types of routines that you can get. I really do think it's worth investing in at least a UV lamp and also a electric nail filer. I think they are the best thing you can do. Even if you just do your toes, you're saving like $50 every month. So there's so many little ways that you can save money by purchasing those like DIY nail kits from Amazon if you're into that. I know some people, like my best friend, she loves her nail lady. She adores getting her nails done. done and they last for a month. Can't relate at all, but I really like doing those services myself. So if you're into that, if you're wanting to try it, I highly recommend the Amazon kits. So guys, that's everything for today's video. I kind of have to rush because we're finally doing construction in our backyard and it's a little loud. But anyway, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And Olivia's here. And let me know if you want to see a part 2 with non-beauty things that save me money, because I have so many more from Amazon. I'm so excited for this concept. And yeah, I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.